The real estate market in October for Steamboat Springs is perpetuating hockey stick growth like I haven't ever seen. And there's a little good news. We are getting a little bit more of inventory for the market. Hi, this is John James with the James team at REMAX Partners, and I'm coming to you with the first Steamboat market update for the month of October, and this is covering the entire Routt County, all segments, all price ranges, all areas, and it's big. I was kind of taken aback last month when I saw the September numbers. Looking at the October numbers, they're still big. And I don't want to hyperbolize anything, but let me just show you the numbers and you can kind of determine that for yourself. Starting off with the median sold price. So the median sold price last year in October of 2019 was $445,000. It is now up to $565,000. That's a 27% increase in that median sales price, and a lot of that has to do with inventory. There's just not a whole lot going on, so that's jacking the prices up a bit. The number of sales went from 906 in October of 2019 up to 1,069. That's an 18% increase. Again, double digits on both of those. And then sales volume, here's the biggie. Last year, $574,248,541 for the month of October in 2019. This year, $859,415,679. That is a 49.7% increase. That's almost 50% of where we were, 50% higher than where we were last year. And to give you a little bit more context into total dollar volume, last year, all of 2019, there was $7.15 billion in total dollar volume. Right now, at the end of October, with 2 months to go, we're looking at $6.047 billion. So take with that what you want. We've got 2 more months of probably sustained growth on this. We'll see quite a bit. Now let's look into inventory. The days on market, that after a while it was going up and now it's starting to come down because we're just running out of inventory. Last year we were 46 days on market. It's down 21.7% to 36 days. And the month supply, again, 6 months is our stable market. That tells us if we have 6 months supply of inventory, that's stable. Anything above is a buyer's market. Anything below is a seller's market. It's at 4.1 months, where last year it was at 6.1. So that's a drop of 32.8%. We're consistently in the seller's market. And as far as active listings are concerned, last year we had 479 for the month of October in total active listings. We're down 30.7% to 332 active listings for the month of October. So again, not much there. The good news is we're starting to see more listings come on the market. Not very many more, but still anything is good at this point. We need to refill the shelves, so to speak. Last year there were 1,296 new listings coming in for the month of October. Now we're up to 1,318. That's a 1.7% increase. Not much, but we'll take anything we can get at this point. Value, as we look at the sales to list price ratio, how much did it sell for compared to what it was listed for? It is at 97.7% for the entire market. That's up 0.1% from 97.6 in October of 2019. And price reductions, as we've been seeing that drop, dramatically. Price reductions here last year, there were 89 price reductions in the month of October. This year, 45, that's down almost 50%, 49.4. So again, if there's not a whole lot of inventory and it's getting snatched up, there's no time to put a price reduction on. It's good for sellers. Buyers at least know where the value is, and things are being priced accordingly. For future indicators, back on market, this was a surprise to me. I was expecting more. Last year, there were 39 contracts that fell out in the month of October, And this year it went to 41, so that's a 4.9% increase. I was expecting it to be a little bit more. Maybe now we're kind of out of that realm of, oh, we're just going to buy it sight unseen, and then we'll catch up and look at it, and if it's not great, we'll just terminate. So I think now buyers are a little bit more realistic. They know what they're getting, when they're getting it, and sticking with the contract. But pending listings, so we're looking for now for the month of November, see what's going to close in. In October of 2019, there were 1,084 pending listings going into the next month, and now that is up to 1,331. So that's a 22.8% increase. We can expect November. If we're seeing the trends, we can expect November to be just as big. So that's what we got going on. We've got our price segments coming up. We've got our type segments, single family, and then townhomes and condos, and then finally south, west, and north Routt. Not necessarily in that order. If you have any questions, please give me a buzz back at 970-846-0797. You can text me, leave a comment in the video. I'd be happy to respond. And you can also email me at johnjames@jamesteamsteamboat.com. Hope this is really helpful. Things are being snatched up real quick. So hope everyone's doing well out there, and take care.